Does it tickle?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Tickle.
What are you doing?
Tickle.
Are you painting your feet? Oh, and stepping on the paper. Good job, buddy. Oh.
Tickle.
Is it? Are you more interested in drawing on your feet than on the paper? You painting your toenails?
Tickle. Shirt.
I do see it. You're... Step on the paper. Don't step on the floor. Step on the paper. Oh.
My toenails.
Are they stuck?
Toenails.
Are they stuck? Oh. Oh. Help you?
Yeah.
What? Take your hand. Take your hand and pull it off with your hand. And then step on the paper. Step on the paper. Oh, God. Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Why don't you step on the paper? You're not coloring the floor? Don't wipe it in. What color is that?
Pinky, Mom. Pinky.
Oh, stay on that floor.